Hey friends, if wireless display is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. But before guiding you through the resolutions, I need you to know something that you need to check for hardware compatibility before anything else. Because if the hardware is not compatible, then it is of no use trying any other feature. Okay, so hardware compatibility is a must. And once you have tested that, here's what you need to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down and then select this thing here. What do we say? Optional features. So, where would we find it? Yes, here. Now, check if you have wireless display enabled here. Let us say that you didn't have it. Then, click on view features and type the word wireless. You'll find wireless display. Click on this and select next and add it. It will need a while to add. Once it is added, just restart your computer and the job will be done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.